The blessing that looked like a loss. Come here. Daddy soon come back. Getting fired from Walmart was actually the best thing that ever happened to me. I went from working 7 days a week to working 5. From being controlled by schedule to dictating my own time. Yes, I lost an income. I lost benefits. But what I gained was my life back. Was my entire life back and much more. So let me tell you something most people don't realize about loss. The problem is, it's not that you lost something. No, that's not the problem. The real problem is you are only looking at what's gone instead of what's now possible. Here it is. What feels like a loss may actually be a redirection. Okay? Because sometimes life removes what you were tolerating so you can build what you actually want, what you actually desire. If you ever experience a setback that didn't make sense, save this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and comment, I see the shift. Now, let's get into this video. What people think the problem is. Most people think, I lost my job, I lost my income, I lost my security. And that's real. Trust me, that is very real. But that's not the full truth. Hear this. Loss is the only one side of the story. Messages, oh boy. If I don't say this clearly, some of you will stay stuck in what's ended and miss what is trying to begin. So, what's the real problem is? What is the real problem? The real problem is this. You were comfortable being overworked because it felt secure. 7 days a week, no real time for yourself, no flexibility, no control. No control. Hear this. Security without freedom is still a limitation. And when that ended, it forces me to see something I was ignoring. If you ever stayed in something just because it felt safe, comment, I see it now. Come on. Come on, Bella. Out, Bella. I see it now. Because awareness is everything. Everything. Everybody's coming in here because that is gone for a run. Okay, the shift that changes everything for me. After I got fired, I had to rebuild everything. I had to rebuild totally different. Not just work again, but live differently. Okay? Here it is. Don't just replace what you lost. Redefine what you needed. start focusing on my time, my health, and my peace. And yes, now I pay for things out of my pocket, my health, my eyes, my retirement fund. But here's the difference. I take care of myself daily because I have more time. Why people stay stuck? Let's be honest. People stay stuck after loss because they are panicking. They're rushing to replace what they had. They had to pause to reassure. They didn't pause. But, you have to pause to reassure. Hear this. Rushing after loss can put you back in the same cycle. If I didn't slow down, I would have recreated the same life. And I wouldn't have been where I'm at now. Just in a different place, but the same life. How would this benefit you? Let me bring this back to you because this is not just my story. This is your opportunity to wake up. When you reframe loss as a redirection, rebuild with intention, prioritize your time and your health, create a life that supports you, everything changes. Hear this. You don't need to go back. You need to go forward differently. And that's where your power is. And this is exactly what we build inside my Style Lab. Because it's not just about style, darlings. It's not. It's about reinventing your life with intentions, showing up with confidence in your next chapter, aligning your present with your new identity, creating a lifestyle that actually supports you. And if you're in the rebuilding season right now, go download my free reinvention checklist. It's in the bio. Because clarity is what moves you forward. When you get clear, that's when you can move forward. You have a path, a direction. So the real blessing, that loss gave me time, it gave me clarity, it gave me freedom, and it gave me control. Hear this. What you lose can make room for what you truly need. People see the job, but I see the life I gain. With my husband, when I just met him and we got engaged, that's when I lost my job. So no, that wasn't a setback. That was a shift, a new direction. And if you're going through something right now that feels like a loss, look again. Look again. Because it might be the very thing that's trying to change your life. Slow down and look again. Okay? My glasses. The thing broke, so and I need my glasses to see. So thank you for joining, guys. If you're new, thank you. Welcome. If you are returning, Thank you, thank you. Welcome back. My name is Jacqueline Young Landy. I'm an author, content creator, and I'm Jamaican. I'm a wife, a mother of one, a dog lover. I have 2 dogs, and we have dogs constantly. So when they die, we get a new one. My husband's the builder, so we build a family compound. So I live on a family compound, not in the same quarters, 4 generations. My mom live in the front, we live in the main house, and my daughter and my grandbabies live in the townhouse in the back. So I'm just jumping on here and telling you guys the lessons I have learned throughout my life. I'm going to be 62 this year, okay? And at the same time, I wrote a book. This is Not a Practice Life by Jacqueline Young Landy. It became a bestseller on Amazon during COVID, okay? And it comes in hardcover, it comes in paperback, and it comes in Kindle. It's a very easy read. It has pictures in there. It's thin. So go on there on Amazon, put in my name, or the title of the book, Jacqueline Young Landy is my name. And the book is This Is Not a Practice Life. Go on there, purchase it in whatever form you like. Read it. And after finish reading it, go back, please, and write me a review. I greatly appreciate that. If you want an autographed paperback copy, go on Instagram, JYL Lifestyle, and shoot me a message, and I get with you. Thanks for joining, guys. Let it all sink in. Prince, come here. Come here, Prince. Let it all sink in. My baby. He's waiting for his daddy. Daddy left, so he's like, where's daddy? Where's daddy? All right, guys, let that sink in, and I see you in the next video. Much love. Take care. Bye for now.